Alright guys, today we are going to all of the purple locations.
I'm trying not to yawn.
Oh yeah, by
I'm
the way
trying
guys,
so hard not to
we're
yawn.
recording
It's
this at
5 a.m.
5:11 in the morning.
Oh shit, it's a 5:11.
I have plane seat preparation, so forgive me.
I'm
I was a
not
dead
sleep
bird.
deprived. But my mother is sleeping next to me, so I'm trying to be quiet, but she's snoring, so I could be safe. Stuff respawns. Dude.
Hey, there's 2 pies. You want a second
Oh
pie?
my fucking god.
I mean,
Holy
you can't
shit!
it, but...
Dude, I can admire it from afar. Bro, making shit takes so fucking long. Hang on, I'm trying to figure out how to do shit. Okay.
Well,
So,
I'm not complaining, but a bomb went off.
Oh, good job, Aiden. You are so good at dying.
I
cannot
think I
wait.
shit myself.
Oh, man. We
Oh,
probably
that's
gotta
a good
get
way
that
to
figured
start
out
off the
for
episode.
Hey, a bomb went off and I think I shit myself.
Yeah.
At least
Sorry
that
about
it will
that.
escalate.
Yeah. I got some meat.
I have. Wow.
Dude, how is our liver still alive? We just down like 30
How is
pills.
the liberal? God damn, Aiden. How is my liberal still alive? I just downed 30 pills. It's 5:11 in the morning. What drugs are you on? A lot. My kidneys, livers. What are kidneys?
Piss holders.
Oh, is that? I thought that was like a bladder.
I don't fucking know.
Shit, where's? Don't look at me googling what kidneys are.
Not sure why I need your feathers, but I'm gonna take them away.
Imagine being the FBI agent.
Wait, I need to get my food.
Imagine being the FBI agent.
Some bitch trying to get my seagull meat. Wait, a seagull's trying to get my seagull meat, Mija.
Goddamn seagulls trying to get seagull meat.
Cannibals. How many cannibals are on this damn island? Oh wait, I mean natives. Hey, get out of here. Get going.
And natives makes it really racist. Uh-oh, dude.
No, if you say the C word, YouTube doesn't like that. I've heard.
Oh. YouTube doesn't like the C word? Cunt?
No, not that one. The other one I just said.
Okay, it's probably fine. So, did
why
you know?
It say that you're just now playing the game, Misha?
I don't want to talk about it. It crashed.
Are you shitting
me? Yep. I'd like to mention the fact that the FBI agent that is watching me Google what kidneys are at 5:13 a.m. is scared.
I killed a turtle.
Oh, agent.
Content.
No. Remember when you threw a Molotov and a bomb and set the turtle on fire? You were a menace to those turtles in the first game that we played, which was the forest. Imagine having a hunted 23 hours in the game and beating it 3 times. Couldn't be us. I really hope that the entire video isn't littered with just snoring in the background. I think that'd be funny but really horrible at the same time.
Do you not sleep in your room?
I do, but my mom's room is the only one with internet.
Understandable.
And even then, it's bad. It's real
See,
bad.
I have actually good internet, so.
Okay. Well, you know what I have?
Are you
Car.
joining?
It's still loading, bro. Uh,
I'm
you
gonna
ever
get this
email?
whole episode done before you.
Fuck you. Okay.
You just join at the end of the episode.
Hey guys. Yeah, I won't be the end of the episode, but hey, it's cool.
Oh, wow, that is something to drop.
And it's because I'm
Very
joining
nice
in.
car.
Yeah.
I forgot. I have to get some thumbnail stuff going on.
You don't even make your own thumbnails. No, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Crash, don't crash, don't crash. Please don't crash. I need you. Sexually. I need you sexually. I cannot wait to text Aaliyah at 40 something. Being like, hey Aaliyah, it's only 6 a.m. and I just googled what kidneys were. And I think the FBI agent that watches my phone is scared. Come on, scripting, you can be faster than that.
Man, that is nasty.
The scripting in my extended hard drive on my laptop is atrocious. It's so bad, dude. Come on, please. Oh my god, it worked. And I think I might actually be able to get into the game. Oh, yes.
Hey, you're here.
It only took a lot of pain. Oh. Okay. Oh. Aiden, stop twerking. What the fuck is that? That is not okay. I didn't know the sand movements were that realistic.
You didn't notice that? I noticed that at the beginning.
I noticed you at the beginning, and I dismissed
I don't think you
you.
did.
I said you were a pussy, and I walked away. And then you went away.
Misha, I need TP for my bunghole.
You need
I need TP for my bunghole. Okay. I want a
Oh,
bow.
wait, sorry.
Ooh, the crafting is nice. I can also make this. Where's the skull at? Where's the skulls? I know I picked them up. Oh, sweet. Man, you just stick it on the stick. That shall be 3. Where's the bow? That shall be 4. Hey,
Say
Misha.
something. There it goes.
How do you?
Yep.
Oh, never mind. I know how to make it.
You know, I'm having like all of the technical difficulties in the world. And I'm scared to click anything because I'm scared I'm gonna accidentally click F1 and explode my laptop. Okay, I'm scared. Are you speaking words? Okay, you're speaking.
balls.
You're good enough at speaking words. Anyways, well, enough with the technical difficulties. Let's go to our map. Map. Can you say map? No, Dora.
Man, this thing is sweet.
Dora, I don't know what maps are,
Alright,
and
Kelvin,
frankly, I don't know them
stay
either,
here,
so
bud.
just...
Gotta save before we head out. Because why not? Was you just holding that bow with one hand, balancing that arrow?
Don't make me laugh. Don't wake my mother up. Hey, got any grapes? Did you know that the rapes of grass?
Hmm? Can I get water from you?
No, but you can get water from over here.
Sweet. Do I have to, like, boil it, or...?
Yes, Aiden, you have to boil the water that you get
Oh.
or you will die. Probably. And it'll be all your fucking fault.
I
Buddy,
mean, that was a little bit... This.
Okay. I love throwing
I
rocks.
wanna
People's...
go to this one.
Aaliyah keeps giving me her clothes. Aaliyah keeps giving me her clothes, and now all of my clothes smell like her. And it makes me happy. And so now every time I'm near my clothes, I get a sense of comfort. Because they smell like Aaliyah.
Dude, I just cuddle myself at night.
I cuddle my pillow at night.
Imagine. Man, this game is nice.
You know what's also nice? Kidneys. Kidneys are nice. Human teeth. Human teeth are pretty nice.
No.
Yep.
Maybe thumbnail worthy.
Are you actually getting your own thumbnail this time?
I got it kinda last time.
What do you mean fucking kind of? Aiden, it's like you get it online or you get it from the game. There's no kind of.
Those games, like, yeah. Man, that is a lot of salmon. You want to stop at that orange thing on the way there?
No, Aiden, I don't want to stop the orange thing. Screw the orange thing. I don't like it.
But it's orange.
I hope it rots in
I could have sworn I
heaven.
just heard beat. Oh man, there is someone here. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Get off my mom.
I have a funny feeling. Dang it. And I was misled.
Why is there a dead body floating down the river, Mija?
I don't want to talk about
YouTube, he's not dead. YouTube, he's not dead. He's just going for a swim.
He's swimming sleepily.
He's just having a little nap. I'm just gonna ignore that guy.
Gordon. Crofton refuses to acknowledge what this place is. Not even counting my team has with. Yep. That makes sense.
You guys can read that if you want.
I can't read, and I'm failing. What's in here?
Oh, it's a cave.
I can't fucking see. I feel so safe doing this. Hey, buddy, why do I feel like we just fucked up real bad? Buddy?
This is a skin pouch.
Okay, cousin skin pouch opening sessions.
By the way, YouTube, this is all slime.
At 6
It's
a.m.
slime.
This is all slime. Yes, slime. This is ketchup.
Yep, ketchup and slime. This
Ketchup
is red
and
slime. Red slime and ketchup.
my instinct is to not pick up rope because I'm so used to being full on it in this game, you know?
This is getting pretty deep.
What's this? Hey buddy, I found something.
What?
Oh,
I found,
found an exit. I found an exit.
come here. I found the thing.
I actually don't know what this. What the fuck? What? Oh, I know what that is. Okay. I was so confused. I was like, is that a bird? Really? Bro, you took me in here just for a little turtle shell project with a bird on top? That's so fucking weird. I'm leaving. Fuck this. Fuck that thing. Yeah. I'm cool. I'm not gonna lie. I did not know things existed in this game.
You didn't know things existed in here?
No. I didn't know what things were.
You son of a bitch.
I like jumping off cliffs. Hey, Aiden, what level are you? Oh, you said 2.
Wow. You know I'm sensitive, right?
I thought you said you. Or who? I thought you said who. I was like, you, dumbass. Who else?
My feelings are hurt. You call me a dumbass, then you make fun of me?
I didn't mean it.
I'm gonna go cry. You think about what you did to me.
I'm making like disgusting noises on our YouTube channel. You hear the sounds of the dam screaming. Wasn't there like a game about like the souls of the damned or some shit? I feel like there was. There was like an old PS2 game. It's like the Souls of the Damned or something like that. I don't know. There was a PS something game called Castlevania that was pretty good. I remember playing it as a little kid, playing like I think it was like the PS3. It was one of those Castlevania games, and I never got past the beginning, but I used to play it a lot as a little kid. I honestly like remember like one frame from that game, I'm not gonna lie. And I remember my dad raging at it a lot. I was like 6, I don't remember much. Or like 7.
I get some vodka, 2 chocolate bars, and a piece of roast.
You gotta...
There's a dead guy down there. Oh shit.
Oh.
Well, I fell.
I feel so bad for my health. Oh, I'm level 2. You're slightly ahead of me. You...
Well, we got a flashlight.
Son of a bitch. Wait, you got a flashlight?
This guy is not dead. He's just sleeping. He's sleeping.
Yes. Where'd you get the flashlight?
From him.
Oh, I'm holding it. Holy sh... Aiden, I'm so stupid. God, I feel so stupid.
What is up with this tree? I mean, what? It has no branches.
Huh? Yeah, you keep inspecting the local tree population. I'm gonna go to the red smoke. Hey man, do you think we can survive jumping off a second cliff?
Ow, okay, I wouldn't do that again.
The answer is yes, I can survive jumping off 2 cliffs.
Yeah, you can survive, but...
He's alive! Can I kill you? I wanna kill him, I wanna kill him.
Ow, you're hitting me!
Are you okay?
I'm almost dead.
Don't walk up to someone trying to kill someone. And maybe you will get hurt.
What is it?
What?
Don't hit me again. If you smack me, I will die.
Yeah, I will too. You just smacked me.
No, yeah, no proof.
My health bar is proof enough.
I don't believe
You, I don't understand your brain.
You guys can read this if you want.
Oh, I know where we are. Which
Where?
is a rare occurrence. Considering that I never know where we are. Or where I am. Or where you are. I'm very lost all the time.
Misha, I think you're having sleep deprivation. You're
I think
slamming your words together.
you are too, buddy.
I'm fine. I'm peachy, just dandy, dude. I'm like,
Okay, you don't need to quote our first little quote-unquote Let's Play that only had one episode. From like 3-4 years ago.
woo.
Naked man, woo!
Naked man, woo.
Go fuck yourself, Timmy. And we're not even like remembering the balls.
I swear, if there's a Timmy in this game, I would shoot him. Or there's solar panels.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I mean, I didn't know that in the first place. Jumping to victory. Victory jumping. Dude, do you know how fucking sad it feels for their...
Alright, let's go to this other purple thing.
Oh, that one's a dig site, and we can't do that one.
Have you already went to it?
Yeah, it doesn't do it funny. So, do you want to just start hopping into random caves and seeing what happens?
Yeah, fuck it. How's a raccoon?
Well, what's your timer at?
8 minutes.
Okay, like we've been playing for 8 minutes, or we have 8 minutes left?
We got 8 minutes left.
Oh, okay. Well, let's just go into that nearby cave and see what happens.
Which one? Is the one behind us? Yep, I know where you're going.
Actually, you know what? I think our first priority should be finding a hang glider. I know they exist. There's no denying it,
No,
and
I feel like that's an in-game thing.
No, and we need.
You just want to be lazy, okay? I know you. You're like this in everything.
I want a hang glider. Aiden, I want one. You know what? If you don't give me a hang glider in the next 8 minutes, I'm throwing my PC across the room.
That's your own fault.
I don't know how things work. I'm going into the snowy area, and I'm finding a hang glider. I don't know if it's in the snowy area, but that's my presumption.
That's your 2 cents on it?
That's my 2 cents on the situation.
Dude, I'm just running through the forest eating flowers.
God damn it, what are those flowers that are eating?
Version of Bambi.
Where does the
You know
fucked
that
up part come in?
Rudolph video you sent me? Of Rudolph and like
Oh yeah, that's
Rudolph
you.
thing, and then he had like a cancer nose.
Oh, hello, ground. I did not see you there.
Santa was just like, I guess I gotta go get my shotgun.
Again. I swear to God, Aiden. I need me a hang glider. You don't understand. Oh, hello. Oh, they're dead.
The
That's
bats just
convenient.
scared the shit out of me.
I thought that those dead people were alive and I was about to kill
I
them.
think I actually just shit myself.
Again? Stop shitting yourself. You have a
Hey,
medical
look!
condition. My
Hey!
brightness.
Look what I found! I found a slingshot.
Shit, where?
It's in this dude's hand. Look.
Ew, Ig, why are you taking things out of dead people's hands? You weird
He's not dead,
motherfucker.
he's sleeping.
Out of sleeping people's hands. It's still weird. And a little bit rapey.
Okay, when was the last time you did something like that?
Never. We're gonna
Lies.
ignore the slingshot that I have. We're gonna ignore my slingshot.
Excuse me, sir? Excuse me, sir? I shall give you the count of 3. 1, 3.
Oh shit.
I'll give you some more.
This shit's funny as hell at 5 in the morning, bro. And what are we gonna use an air tank for?
This is a very big thing.
Oh. Okay. I'm sure that there is something that gives you that impression. I can't hang glide. I mean, whatever the fuck the thing is, the zip line. I can't zip line. Or hang glide.
Okay,
Fucking Aiden, no, we can jump it. We can jump it.
No, we can't.
Oh, we can try. So you jump on this wall, and then you.
I'm not gonna try.
You can jump it. I swear, I was super close. Watch me, bro. Watch me. It's gonna work.
We have 3 minutes left. I'm gonna head home.
How the fuck has that been 5 minutes?
Oh, it's pretty much just a straight shot.
We don't have a home. Oh, there's an invisible wall.
We literally do.
We have a home?
Yes! I placed Kelvin there. Well,
That's a
for
camp.
now. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
I'm
you're right.
heading back to camp.
No, I'm finding a hang glider. We are not ending this session until Amnesia finds herself a hang glider.
Okay, well that will be your thing, I guess.
Prerogative. I am the hang glider woman. Prerogative. I think that there is a hang glider somewhere.
Actually, I might try and find a nice
hang glider?
No.
Oh. Bicycle?
Screenshot.
Oh, wow, okay. We have different priorities, you and I.
Ooh, you know, we could record Raft, by the way.
Oh, God. I remember the headache that game caused me.
Hey, that was a fun game, alright? We still haven't beat it.
It was fun. Oh. This a symbol on my map, and I'm going to it. I think my brightness is turned all the way down, and I'm a little bit...
You son of a...
See it? You guys see it? You guys unmute your phone? You guys see that hang or something? I will not stop until I get to it. It's okay if we went a little bit of a period. Lick her, Aiden. That's how you get women. If you see a strange woman on the street, just start licking.
I'm running.
Okay, I see it. I see it again. I'm very bad. Maybe she's...
Before you go.
What the fuck is happening on your side? You sound like a deranged, scared man.
Oh, hey, lady. Virginia,
just call her Hey Vagina?
Virginia,
Hey,
Vagina, I don't know.
I see how you do. Okay. Just gonna Came right over that. Sexism right there.
Hey, there's a blue thing on my map.
Stop going up to random women and going, hey, vagina.
Just gonna ignore the obvious sexism here.
It's shaking so. Oh my god, my mom's gonna kill me. She was
There's
snoring.
a golf cart! Dude.
Hey, vagina.
I have
Sorry,
a golf cart. By the way, it's almost nighttime.
I don't
You're gonna be
believe you.
all alone. Oh, okay. Well, that's... Yeah, okay.
You know what? I'm gonna be all alone with a hang glider, okay? And what do you have?
Okay.
A golf cart? I hope you
Yes!
can golf cart your
I
way to a
have
hang
golf
glider.
cart. This is
Milker.
amazing. Best time.
Pussy shaker.
Oh,
no, it's not time yet. You pussy shaker.
Nope.
You
I
cock
almost went
milker.
in water. Oh, dude, this thing is slippery. Okay.
Titty jiggler. Motherfucker. Ass catcher.
Okay, well, yep, that's how it goes.
I'm coming up with more, I promise. You don't like them, but I do.
Ow. Yep. Oh, no, that's water!
I don't know where the hang glider went, but I will find it.
Okay.
I can't see my map. What is this direction?
I shall use this golf cart.
You shout?
I shan't.
You shan't?
I schlonk.
You shan't lose it. Aiden, I don't think there was a hang glider over here.
Yeah.
I think that I thought that I saw the hang glider symbol, and that I didn't know existed. And I went over here and I don't see it.
Get on up there. Yeah.
I'm trying to Skyrim jump my way up this cliff, and I'm struggling. Oh my god, it's working. Holy shit.
Sweet. No, okay,
No,
that's
no.
water.
No.
That's water.
Yeah, I think we're in separate situations right now, except I'm on a cliff.
Who doesn't like to drive a golf cart with a little bit of water over there, huh?
Hey, I found a screenshot for you.
Okay. But,
I'm not even kidding, bro. I just found like this crazy screenshot.
Lady, I have a run in.
I just got
I know that feels that's my sweet.
Just mustard stain on the shirt. Please let me tell me.
Okay, so we're going to minor difficulty.
We are in the end of
sheesh.
unsatisfactory product. You know what? I'm going to escapade around the rim of this mountain blindly until I find a thing. I'm trying to remember the name of it. Oh, this is fucking not doing good at all.
This
Hey,
golf
buddy.
cart shall be
I'm kind of in the middle of a dark forest with one flashlight and a stick for some reason. And
yes.
no guidance.
Oh, yes. Okay. I am king of golf cart.
Okay, this is not horrifying. 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 I'm not scared. I don't even have sound on. I have no sound, so how can I be scared? Game can't scare me. I'm when she was alone. No, oh god, it can.
Man, this thing stops on a dime too.
Okay, I'm going into an ice cave.
Well, I'm saving my game, Misha.
I'm fucking scared. I'm in an ice cave. Hey, buddy, how would you feel about me discovering weird shit without you? Mr. Golf Cart Man. Can I?
Well, can you set up a little tent spot and go see?
I died. I fuck.
See, that's what you deserve.
I didn't think the hole was that deep.
You're gonna spawn in like a really bad
It's
neighborhood.
nighttime. I'm scared.
You're gonna get a mouthful of
Aiden,
cannibal.
Aiden, Aiden, I'm so fucking scared. It's pitch black. And there's a fire. There's a bonfire. Dude, I can't see. My brightness is all the way down.
See, this is
Oh,
why you should have came
oh,
home.
fuck you. Dude, this is so bad. Dude, no, 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 nope, 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 nope. Oh,
Premium content right here. Kelvin
I
sleeping.
can't see shit. I can't see shit. I can't see shit. My viewers can. The viewers can see more than me because their PCs are turned all the way down. They're probably watching it on their phone. The brightness. I can't run. I'm so scared. This shit. Graham. Aiden.
Oh, Kelvin's up.
I'm out of stamina. The light. Okay, I think I'm safe.
Can you make a tent?
I don't know where I am.
Just make a tent and go to sleep.
Okay, okay.
And then you'll see everything in the morning.
I didn't know that I would see the things in the morning. I'll be blind forever.
Your POV is gonna be crazy, and my POV is just me getting scared, I guess.
You're